Don't get your knickers in a twist, it's not that big of a deal.
Easy for you to say. I'm the one who has to fix all of this mess.
I know, but getting worked up about it isn't going to help.
I just want everything to be perfect, and things keep going wrong.
Perfection is overrated, trust me. Sometimes, good enough is just fine.
I suppose you're right, but I'm still nervous about how it's all going to turn out.
Look, you've put in so much effort. That's what really matters, not every little detail.
I guess so, but I just hate the idea of disappointing anyone.
People will understand. They know you're only human and doing your best.
I just wish things would go smoothly for once, you know?
Get it, but you're doing great. Stop being so hard on yourself.
Thanks, I really needed to hear that.
Anytime. Let's just take a deep breath and focus on the positives.
All right, deep breath. It does help a bit.
See? A little perspective goes a long way.
Yeah, I think I can manage her now.
That's the spirit, and remember, I'm here if you need anything.
I appreciate it. You're the best at keeping me calm.
I try. Now, how about we grab a coffee and take a quick break?
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
I can't believe they just gave him carte blanche on the whole project.
Really, they're letting him do whatever he wants with no limits?
Yep, total freedom. He can make any changes, add any features, anything he thinks will work.
That's a lot of trust. Do you think it's a good idea?
I'm not sure. He's creative, but sometimes his ideas can be a bit out there.
True, giving someone carte blanche can be risky if they don't stay grounded.
Exactly. I'm just worried he might go over budget or take too long.
Has he done something like this before?
Not really. This is his first time leading a project without any constraints.
Well, maybe he'll surprise everyone and do an amazing job. Sometimes freedom brings out the best in people.
I hope so. I mean, I'd love to see the project succeed, especially since he's so passionate about it.
Have you talked to him about your concerns?
Not yet. I don't want to seem like I'm doubting his abilities.
Maybe you could offer some advice without sounding critical. Just let him know you're there if he needs any input.
That's a good idea. I could give him some guidance without stepping on his toes.
Exactly. If you're supportive, he'll feel more comfortable asking for help if he needs it.
Thanks, Emma. I think that approach might work better than just staying silent.
Anytime, it's always good to have someone who has your back, even when you have carte blanche.
You're right. I'll talk to him tomorrow and offer my support.
It's been years since we last saw each other, hasn't it?
Yeah, it feels like forever. So much has changed since then.
I know. How have you been? What's new in your life?
Oh, so much. I moved to a new city, started a new job, and got a dog.
Wow, that's amazing. What kind of job did you end up taking?
I'm working as a graphic designer now. It's challenging but really rewarding.
That sounds perfect for you. Do you like living in the new city?
Yeah, it's been an adjustment, but I love it. The pace is just what I needed.
I bet. And a dog too? That must keep you busy.
Definitely, he's a little bundle of energy but brings me so much joy.
That's awesome. I always thought you'd be great with pets. What's his name?
His name is Max. He's a rescue, so he's a bit shy, but he's warming up to everyone.
That's so sweet. I'd love to meet him someday.
For sure. And what about you? What's new with you?
Not as exciting as your life, but I recently started hiking and exploring new places.
That sounds fantastic. I've always wanted to get into hiking.
You should try it. It's really refreshing to get out in nature.
I might just have to. Maybe you can take me on a hike sometime?
I'd love that. Let's plan something soon.
Absolutely. I've missed having these kinds of catch-ups.
Me too, Megan. It's so good to reconnect.
I was just about to ring off when you called back.
Oh, I'm glad I caught you in time. I needed to ask you something.
Sure. What's on your mind?
I wanted to double-check the time we're meeting tomorrow.
Right. We said around 2 p.m., didn't we?
Yes, but I wanted to make sure in case the plan had changed.
Nope. Still 2 p.m. at the cafe near the station.
Perfect. I didn't want to be late or show up at the wrong time.
Totally understandable. It's always better to confirm than to assume.
Exactly. I'd hate to get there and not find anyone.
That would be awkward. Anyway, is there anything else you wanted to ask?
No, I think that was it. Just didn't want to miss out on any updates.
Great. I'll see you tomorrow then. I'll make sure to be on time.
Sounds good. Thanks for clearing that up.
No problem at all. I'm glad you rang back before I hung up. Actually, one last thing before you ring off. Do you know if Emily is joining us tomorrow?
Oh, yes. She texted me earlier to confirm. She's definitely coming.
Great. It'll be nice to catch up with everyone.
Absolutely. It's been too long since we all got together.
I know, right? It feels like forever since we last had a proper hangout.
Yeah, everyone's been so busy with work and other commitments.
True, but I'm glad we're finally making time for it. We all need a break sometimes.
Definitely, it'll be so nice to just relax and catch up with everyone.
Agreed. All right, get some rest, and I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Please subscribe and see you soon.